Python Developer Mastery, From Basics to Advanced Projects, prepared by engineer Adil Salih, Predictive Modeling with Linear Regression AI. Welcome! Today, we are going to build a linear regression AI model entirely from scratch. By the end of this module, you will have written a complete Python script that trains a predictive model on raw data and generates a graphical chart to compare its results. Before we write our first line of code, make sure you have your development environment ready. We recommend an IDE like Anaconda, along with 3 specific packages installed: NumPy, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. Setting up this correct environment is the required foundation. Once your tools are in place, you are ready to start our step-by-step coding sprint. Step 1 is importing the Python libraries that will handle the heavy mathematical lifting for our project. We import 3 modules. Type from sklearn.linearModel, import linear regression, then import NumPy as NP, and import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. sklearn provides the AI algorithm, NumPy structures our data arrays, and Matplotlib draws our visual chart. Without these libraries, your environment lacks the processing and visual capabilities required for machine learning. With our libraries loaded, Step 2 is preparing the raw dataset for the AI to analyze. We define our variables. Type x equals np.array, 2 double brackets, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 2 single brackets, and y equals np.array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single brackets. Notice the punctuation. X uses double brackets for a nested 2-dimensional structure required by scikit-learn, while Y uses single brackets. Misformatting these array dimensions is a common failure point. Strict syntax adherence ensures correct compilation. Now we move to Step 3. It is time to execute the core machine learning commands that drive the engine. To initialize and train the system, type model equals linear regression and model.fit_xy. The first creates a blank slate, an untrained AI framework. The .fit command then feeds your X input and Y output arrays directly into that framework. This specific fitting phase is the exact moment the AI mathematically learns the underlying relationship between your provided data points. The model is fully trained. Step 4 is testing it. Let's see what it learned. We store the model's output by typing ypred equals model.predictx. This command asks the AI to apply its learned mathematical rules onto the original X values to generate its own predictive outcomes. This resulting prediction variable serves as the ultimate proof of whether your training was successful. Our final technical step is completely transforming all of this abstract math into a highly readable visual chart. Here is the complete visualization code block, written sequentially with perfect indentation. plt.scatter maps your raw dataset as red data points. Then plt.plot draws a continuous blue line representing the AI's predicted trajectory. Finally, the plt.show command compiles these separate instructions into a single graphical output, merging your raw data with the AI's interpretation. Look at this split view. On the left, your properly indented Python script. Run it, and the chart appears. Red scatter points map the actual fixed reality of the dataset. Then, the blue line illustrates the AI's mathematical prediction of the overall trend. Now it is your turn to test it. Go back into your script and alter the numbers inside your X and Y arrays, and rerun the code. Watch how the blue prediction line automatically adapts to the new information. By running this sequence, you have successfully bridged the gap from typing raw Python syntax to deploying a functional, predictive machine learning model.